my name is Khalid Ibrahim. I'm in GEMS Metropole.
And this week we were working with Lifology in partnership with University of Dubai to create a marketing campaign for their CED's digital marketing course.
We were doing this campaign with University of Dubai and CED. Really enjoyed being independent, managing my time.
We just had our on-site visit to the Emirates Macaroni Factory, and it's great. And we got to see the internal works of a manufacturing company and how they work and how they ship out and the different parts of the process.
It's very important for students at schools to understand about what's happening in the world of work, because the world of work is massively changing. It's getting disrupted with the intervention of technology.
This week was all about doing a digital marketing internship where we get to have a chance to go to a university like University of Dubai.
We just finished our one-week internship with the F&B Group, and it was a very nice experience. We got to meet a lot of people. It was our first on-site visit. We saw the factory. We talked to all the team. It was a very good experience.
Online shopping and then in-store shopping is going to be integrated more. It's going to be more convenient as e-commerce is really starting to grow more, and it's going to be more convenient to, let's say, browse apps.